Taking a look at a classic Uno deck. So the original Uno deck was a little bit older than this one, but this one from 1983 may have been made in the USA, Belgium, or Hong Kong. And you'd get 2 decks of cards in the pack, and you'd shuffle them all together. And as you can see, it's the typical classic Uno cards. And the big difference with an old deck like this one is you'll see the words instead of the symbols for reverse and swap. And pretty neat. You can still get these, and it's fun to play on an old deck if you've never played on one. And of course, if you're a collector, having an original or a vintage deck is always a great addition to a collection. So these can make a great gift. Hope this helps.